Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
We're going into them. Slowly, slowly. Mga tanks, slowly walk up. Okay? We're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Push into them, push into them. Dive, dive, dive. Backline, backline, backline. Tornadoes to 3, 2, 1. Tornadoes south, tornadoes south. So spread out lang, spread out. Foster DPS, foster DPS. Maraming mga squishes yan. Tibay lang, tibay lang. Okay, foster backline for now. Okay, we're looking back in 3, 2, 1. Pull back now, pull back now, pull back now. Ito, yung mga naiwan sa harap, yung mga naiwan sa harap. Come play on our side, pull back on our side. Tornadoes. Keep CCing, spam your CCs. Hold their side. Okay, we're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Push into them again. Ito, ang daming lumalalim mo guys, ang daming lumalalim. Kill these guys, yung mga malalim sa atin. Play around the boot, play around the rift. Come forward. Yung mga daggers natin, tingin kayo sa likod, ang dami na iiwan sa defense natin. Help our defense. Hold our side. Patayin nyo itong mga tanks. We're wiping the tanks now. Kill the tanks. Yung mga staff. Focus the tanks, mga staff. The rest, focus yung mga targets nyo, yung usual targets nyo. We're readying for the Tibay lang. Foster DPS, yung mga daggers. Spread out lang. Guys, focus natin mga low HP. Ignore nyo muna yung mga full HP. Kung hindi ba huwag nyo ampasin. Come, pull back to our side. Okay, we're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Lagpasan nyo yung rift. Yung mga DPS sa likod, ang dami low. Foster, ang daming free hit sa nila na DPS. Hit lang, pabalik ka. Okay, look to our right. We're pushing towards the middle in 3, 2, 1. We're playing for the rift now. Lalim guys, laliman nyo. Spacing, lumayo kayo dyan. Huwag kayo magpaipit. Wrap around if kailangan nyo. Wrap around if you need. Huwag kayo mag-stage sa huwag kayo mag-stay dyan. Lumagpas kayo. Pumasok tayo, we're playing on the rift. Push in guys, push in. Slowly. Huwag kayo tumaan diretso sa platform. Wrap around if you need to. Play around yung mga daggers. Patayin yung mga nasa likuran nila. Okay, kill the ones in the middle. Look at the boon. We need to get the numbers. Come towards the middle. Good. Focus yung mga low HP guys. Mga low HP. Stick with your party. Focus yung mga party targets guys. Good. Tibay lang. Maintain the numbers. Focus yung mga low HP. Yung mga daggers, you should be playing in front. Yung mga daggers, pitasin nyo yung nasa likod nila. Don't play on the ring. AoEs boys.
Kita mo yun pa? Kaya nakadatalong ko hindi ko na.
Tibay. Focus the DPS. Yung mga staff, you should be focusing yung mga tanks. Tirahan nyo yung mga low HP na tanks. ginugulo tayo sa gitna. Mga staff, focus yung mga tanks. You need to focus the tanks. We're playing inside, Spam your tornadoes. Good. Keep it up. Tibay lang sa loob, tibay sa gitna, yung mga milis natin. Yung mga range, find your spot, yung mga range. Kung saan kayo free hit. Yung mga tanks sa low HP, kill those guys. Wala nang healers yung mga yan, kill them. You're doing good guys. Spread out yung mga daggers. Wipe them. Okay, look behind us. Yung mga daggers, come back. Kill these guys behind us. Wipe these guys behind us, guys. Spread out. Tipay lang. Maraming low. Spread out. Bawiin nyo yung gitna. Yung mga low HP, ang daming low. Tornadoes towards tayo. Flash wave tao. Kumpul yan.
Ito sa akin sa party ko.
Play inside para mas madali mag-heal. Spam your CCs. Mauubos na to. Yung mga low HP, kill the low HP guys. Mga low HP, focus yung mga low HP muna. Free kills yan.
May nagka-camp sa runback natin.
Okay, if you're running back, kill them. You can kill them. Marami kayo na dyan. Tibay lang dito. Spread out. Focus their tanks, kill their tanks, burn them. Tibay. Yung mga daggers natin, protect our DPS sa likod. Protect our DPS at the back, guys. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-overextend yung mga daggers. You need to help our DPS as well. Okay, we're pushing towards the middle in 3, 2, 1, tornadoes. Kupul sila, AoEs here, right side, AoEs. Retake the point, retake the rift. Tornadoes. Flash wave towards the middle in 3, 2, 1, flash wave tao.
Enter box.
Step on the rift. Everyone's playing on the rift now. Get the numbers. AoEs. Okay, tibay sa loob. Step on this. Umapa kayo sa square, guys. Step on the square, guys. Lahat. Yung mga DPS, focus yung mga DPS first. Kill the DPS first. Okay, wipe them. Slowly. Push forward, guys. Push forward. Okay, naubos na sila. Pwede. Sige, spawn na 3.
Sa 3. Papatay mo na ako. Wala na ako.
Pag nagreklamo,
Spawn na 3.
hindi natin sila nag-iisip.
Spawn na 3, guys. Likuran nyo sila. Naubos na. Okay, likuran nyo sila.
Papatay natin.
Okay, keep wiping these guys. Walk towards the middle. Walk towards the rift. Come towards the rift. We're spawning in portal 1 again. Nakahingan tayo. Okay, kill their stuff. Ang daming stuff, guys. Tibay. Okay, yung mga daggers, so 3 kayo mag-spawn. Gawin nyo yung ginagawa nila. Kung ganito pala. Likuran nyo yung DPS nila. Guys, play inside. Yung mga tanks, you should be playing inside. Yung mga tanks. Kill their DPS. Guys, help the middle. We need help here. Okay, spread out lang sa gitna. Look towards the middle. AoE here. Sa mga tanks. Kill the tanks. Yung mga low HP na tanks, unahin yung mga low HP. Get the point. Okay, tibay dito. Ang dami low HP. Keep focusing these guys. Okay, spread out lang. Yung mga melees, play inside the rift. Come inside. Yung mga daggers natin, huwag kayo masyado overextend. Come sa gilid-gilid lang ng rift. Papatay itong mga dito. Okay, tibay, we have the numbers. Spam your tornadoes. Flash waves daw. Good, control this guys. Spread out yung mga range natin. Yung mga melee, keep diving on their DPS. Tibay lang. Okay, yung mga low HP, help our DPS at the back guys. Yung mga daggers. Dito lang kayo mag-play sa mga around ng square. Huwag kayo masyado mag-push. Maraming DPS sa amin dito. Okay, we have this. Control the Kill the guys inside. AoE. Inside the rift guys. Look, eyes on the rift. Focus natin makuha yung rift guys. Focus yung rift. Stop going for kills. Yung mga tanks, focus natin yung mga tanks for now. Kill the tanks para makahinga tayo. Kill the tanks. Yung mga staff, unahin yung tanks, guys. Yung mga low HP na tanks. Good, control this, maintain. Tibay. Ang daming low guys, Tornadoes towards the rift. Mga daggers sa likod natin. Yung mga daggers nasa likuran natin. Help sa likod. Ang daming DPS.
Portal 1 ulit. Wala nung
Okay, kung anong gamitin nyo, kahit ano yung portal, 1 or 3. Kung saan nyo, use your judgment na lang. Focus the DPS. Yung mga DPS ulit. Get the numbers. Patayin yung mga DPS. Kill the DPS, guys. Kung low kayo, umatras kayo. Kung low kayo, pull back if you're low. Tibay lang. Tibay. Get the numbers. Kailangan natin patasin yung numbers. Focus yung mga DPS. Step inside. Yung mga tanks. Okay. Wipe these guys. Yung mga tanks, yung mga daggers, push forward, mga daggers. Catch yung mga runback nila, patayin nyo na yung mga runback nila. Good. Spam your tornadoes, flash waves in front of us. Tibay lang sa gitna. Tibay dito. Use your guardians if you have to. Use your guardians. Guardians. Sige, guardians. Balik agad. Yung mga DPS na, jump under DPS guys. Under DPS. Okay, slowly wipe them. Nag-dive na lang yan sa gitna. Yung mga DPS, yung mga spears, kill their spears first. Okay, we're stepping on the rift now. Ito yung mga tanks, AoE on the tanks, AoE on the tanks, AoE on the tanks. Ang daming low guys, ang daming low. Kill them.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we
Remedies,
up
if you
in
need
the
your,
morning,
to use the remedies.
Change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be
Tipay lang. Control yung back run back sila. Keep on jumping on their run backs. Run on their run backs.
Naubos sila na ano.
Okay, focus their run backs. We're ignoring tanks now. Kill their DPS.
Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes are fine.
Sa gilid na kayo maglaro, yung mga rage. Sa gilid na kayo yung mga rage. Spread out. Lumayo kayo dito sa gitna. We have the numbers. Lumayo kayo sa gitna. Yung mga DPS. Mamamatay kayo dito sa gitna. Yung mga tanks na dapat sa gitna. Okay, we're pulling back once we get it. We're pulling back. Pull back now. We're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Dive into them now. Wipe them. Spam your tornadoes towards the crew. Spam your CCs. Okay, cancel nyo lang. Yung mga staff, freeze yung mga cappers. Walang mga magic resist tong cappers sila. Okay, kill them boys. Good job guys. Kill them boys. Yung mga one, slip nyo yung mga cappers nila. Walang magic resist yung mga yan. Okay, focus killing them. Yung mga ones yung makakancel, mga ones. Keep killing them boys. Spam your natures, yung mga wala nang mana. Okay, we're playing here. Play around the rift. Huwag masyad mag-overextend. Guys, hindi nyo kailangan mag-overextend.
Right side ulit yung right side.
Hindi nyo kailangan mag-overextend. Wala tayong mapapala dyan kung mag-overextend kayo. Mamamatay lang kayo. Play on the rift. Play with your guild, guys. Come here.
Cancel nyo lang.
Yup, keep cancelling. Sige. Nakasave yung ano ko. Yung
Magka-up, sinunit.
nakakagad ko na. Sige, focus lang. Ako bala. Focus killing guys.
Sabay.
Okay, maintain this. Kill their DPS lang. Si Matanks na bahala sa gitna. Spread out boys. Spread out. Okay, keep coming back. Use Portal 1 now. Mas malapit Portal 1. So, spread out lang. Guys, help our DPS at the back. Help our boys. Tornadoes towards the middle. Tornadoes. Control the middle, boys. Yung mga low HP lang hampasin nyo. Okay, pestehin yung mga low HP. Huwag nyo pahingayin yung mga low HP. Keep diving on them. Chase them if you need to. Okay, laliman nyo na yung mga daggers. Laliman nyo. Jump on their DPS sa likod. Para mapilitan sila mag-dive sa atin. Okay, tapangan nyo yung mga daggers natin.
Puro low HP sa gitna.
AoEs. Flash wave towards the middle. In 3, 2, 1. Flash waves. We have 2 flash waves. Kasi flash wave, boys.
Right side ulit.
Come back to our side. Don't spawn camp them, boys. Use Portal 1. Tibay lang, tibay sa gitna. Spread out. Get your kills. Last 15 seconds. Get your kills.
Portal 1 pa rin sa kanila doon.
Good job guys.
Ito na wag tayo.
Ang hirap lang kasi nag-respawn sila sa spawn natin, tayo hindi nag-respawn sa spawn nila.
Ayun. Gagawin sa reset, gagawin sa million.